Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to jump into some makeup as I wanted to share with you guys my everyday makeup look for a skin-like finish. So I'm starting off with my Merit Minimalist complexion stick, and I absolutely love this stuff. I'm in the shade Sepia. I literally wear it every day. And it's bomb.com when I want to get just the coverage that I need without going overboard. And then I just go ahead and blend that in with my Merit foundation brush. Love, love, love. Super soft on the skin, and it really just helps to buff everything out and blend it in even further. Next up, I'm going in with my second Minimalist complexion stick, and this is in the shade Chesnut. This is just to help brighten up my under eyes and make me look more awake. I try my best to get at least 8 hours of sleep because your girl is wanting to do better with her sleep schedule. But this is just a great little pick-me-up. I love the warmth that this color just adds to my eyes and just makes everything look seamless. I then go ahead and I set that with a little bit of my Nye powder in the shade Topaz. I don't like to do too much because I'm not trying to give myself that raccoon look where the under eyes just like pop more than the rest of my face. And then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and I set everything with a bit of my setting powder by Radiance in the shade Cocoa Kisses. Then I move on to some blush. This is the Carli Bybel Makiage collab palette, and I absolutely love this blush. It's a really nice orangey shimmer tone. It has like little accents of gold in it, which I absolutely love because it doubles as a blush and as a highlight. But of course, once I'm done applying all of that, I still go in with a little bit of that highlight from that same palette, and it just helps give my skin a really nice inner glow. Then moving straight to mascara, this is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Mascara, and I really like it. It has a very wet texture, so even after you apply it, it takes a while to dry. But I like that personally because I just feel like my lashes are not only being accentuated so that they just pop out, but also moisturized oddly enough. So this has been my go-to mascara for like the entire month already. And then these are the lashes. As you can see, they are long and strong and defined. And then lastly, I go in with the Merit, and this is their new lip oil, which I love. Okay, this is bomb.com. This is the shade Falcon. Absolutely stunning. You don't need a lot. It just gives your lips that really nice moisture that also gives you like a nice sultry look. So once I'm completely done, this is my face for the day, and this is literally what I do every single time when I just want to look alive and have a cute little beat for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super chill vibes. Let me know what you enjoyed the most and what products you'll be trying out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Happy Sunday.